Early access Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. All right.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would
Keep in mind, guys, this is an early access.
What awaited this group of youths
because of Steam. So thank you, Steam, for giving me access to play these new games.
The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Ooh, looks epic. I'm gonna play as a victim today. Let's do this. Oh, found a match. Oh my goodness. Hello? Oh my god, this is so creepy.
Yo.
Hello?
Hello.
It is my first time playing as a family.
You look like you fit right in, bro.
Yeah, you don't bloodlust us, bro.
I'm gonna kill you.
That's a bloodlust player for sure.
If Killers and DVD had voice comms.
Oh yeah. Who's gonna be my first victim?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yep, you get it.
Leatherface, let's team up. Let's get them.
Yes.
Let's get them.
This
Let's
is my
get
this is my first game on here. I don't even know the controls or anything.
Yeah,
me too. We're same boat.
They said no running for the Killers
Is
challenge.
it better to play on controller or?
I'm playing on keyboard.
That's what I'm gonna do too. I mean, I'm probably gonna get this game for controllers. So I might try that. What's going on?
Alright. We're missing some
Alright, let's
victims.
go.
Is this game on proximity chat?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It's like team-based. Once the match starts, you only be able to talk to your homies.
I for sure thought the killer heard me in one match, so I don't know. That's up for
I'm
debate.
excited, bro.
Ah, man!
Search continues in Huerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The
You're all
sheriff's
gonna
department says
die.
Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search
Who's gonna be my first
Police,
victim?
family and friends are urging anyone with
Oh yes, the agony, the pain. Now let's have a little quickie look at. Oh, there we go.
That's me. That's me. Slicing them up. Let's go.
Yes, there's me just been waiting.
Yo. All right.
I'm always the one cleaning up these messes.
Oh my god.
Goddamn kids.
You're all gonna die! Wait, how do you run?
Shift.
Thank you! Ah, who's getting in the basements? I hear sounds.
Damn kids. Where'd they go?
Ah, they woke up Grandpa! You're gonna die! You're gonna... How dare you wake up Grandpa! I'm gonna kill you. What's up, Grandpa?
Oh.
Spinning round.
I gotta start the chainsaw to use it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Alright, I need to find some blood. Oh, there's some blood right here. Here you go, Grandpa. Here's some delicious blood. Delicious. You're all gonna die.
Take this now. It'll perk you right up.
Here you go, Grandpa. Have some blood. You love that. Why do I feel keyboard is a little bit too hard, but more controller is easier? I'll try
Here
it.
you go, Grandpa.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Alright, I'm feeding Grandpa some blood. Grandpa fed. There you go.
Where are they, bro?
Jake,
Oh,
I
here
don't...
we go.
Ah, I hear a chainsaw. I hear the chainsaw. Hey, Jake, what's up? Hey,
Oh,
hey,
God.
hey, 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 hey.
What's up?
Mother-
We gotta find them.
Yes, I already
We
fed
gotta
Grandpa.
find these
I already
guys.
fed Grandpa. I already fed Grandpa. Let's find them. Let's find them. Who is dairy chicken my chickens?
That's me, man.
Say, Josh, stop making so many
We gotta
noise.
find these dudes. I'm opening the door.
You're literally giving the access to opening the door. What the hell, bro?
Come on, not supposed to open the door?
No, you're not supposed to open the doors.
Oh shit. I'm gonna lock it.
You're supposed padlock it, padlock it,
Wait, are
padlock
they
it, padlock
in
it.
the house? Are they in the house with us?
They're in the basement. They're in the basement. They're in the basement. I'm going back to Grandpa.
Oh what? How do we get in the basement?
We keep him there. Ah! I hear something. I hear someone.
Someone at the gate. The gate. They already got outside. They're outside.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, do you see what gate I'm talking about? The gate. Though.
I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. I hear him. I'm right here. I see one.
Get him! Get him! Get him!
No, I'm trying to get in. Fuck! I can't get in the other side.
Alright.
I hear him.
What the heck is everybody doing? We should have found them by now. It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you. I promise you that.
Oh, my ability lets me see everyone for a little bit.
Mine is just for hearing. I hear someone. I saw someone over here running over here. I saw someone over here running.
Ah, I see him outside. Here we go. Over here.
Wait a minute. What was that? I heard
Oh, they're
something.
at the back. They're at the back. They're with me.
I'm right here. Right here. Oh, hello, hello. What's
Go
up?
get him. How
Ah,
do I
you
get
want?
past this? Oh, I destroyed it.
Ah! I hit one. I hit one. I hit one.
Oh,
I see
come
another.
on.
I see another.
Come on, you
I
guys.
see another. Oh, who's gonna be my first victim? Jake, Jake, Jake. Three over here. Three over here. Two over here. Hello, hello. Come over here. Come over here. Oh no, you don't.
Get him.
Keep going, dude.
No. Leatherface, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Break this. Break this. Break this. Break this. Jake, Jake,
Yeah,
over
I'm
here.
going through here. Look.
Go, 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 go.
Bro, it won't let me.
Over
Oh,
here,
there you
over
go.
here. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. They're gonna escape. They're gonna escape. They're just over here, over here, over here. Break this, break this, break this. Requires Leatherface. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
If you, I think if you break it, it'll just like collapse
Just
it.
break
and you won't
it!
Get through. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Get him, get him, get him.
I heard one. There he is. Come here.
I'll go left.
Go on. Where are you going? Where are you going? Right here.
I got one. Yes, I got him. He's dead. I killed
Here comes
one.
another one. I see another one. Come here, bro. You ain't gonna live. You ain't gonna live to see the day. You know who you are? Fuck you. Get him. Jake, he's right here. Come here.
Oh shit, my thing overheated.
Jake, he's back in the house. Get him.
I can't. My thing overheated. Here we go.
Dude, come on. We just had one. I literally gave you one. Come on.
I'm on him.
You better be on him. He's in the house. He's
I
on the
killed
house.
one.
Good.
Get the blood where we killed the guy. Oh my god.
Oh, I didn't know I can taunt. Hell yes. He's with Grandpa. He's stabbing Grandpa.
I'm with Grandpa. He's fine.
Stay away from my Grandpa. You're gonna die.
We gotta find him quick.
Here, Grandpa, have some drinks. Have some DNA.
I'm gonna give him some too here.
Yeah. Damn.
Grandpa.
Damn, bro, you are butt-ass ugly.
He's not. Oh, he's not hungry.
Where are you?
I think he went upstairs. I'm checking up here.
All right, I'm checking downstairs.
All
That
right.
was so good. We literally trapped him.
Yeah.
Yes, let's go. I'm gonna go downstairs. Oh shit, Grandpa's.
I'll feed him. I have blood.
Alright, bet. I'm gonna go downstairs. Hello? Oh, he left! He left the game!
I killed one already. There's one dude alive.
Dang old more for this nonsense. Why is this all need a fix?
Oh, we need one more person.
I feeded him.
I'm in the basement right now. I'm in the basement. Alright, I'm checking.
Oh, okay. Bye.
I don't
Love you. Bye.
Where are you?
I don't know. I'm checking
He's not-
outside.
Okay, he's not in the basement, so
Right now.
I'm gonna check the back gate because that's where
I'm
we
a-
were almost got out last time.
Feed your giblets to Grandpa.
I don't know what my guy just said. Something about giblets.
I can't hear nothing.
There he is!
Where?
Found him!
Are you in the basement?
Yep, and he's coming right to me.
I see that.
He's in the basement.
Is he still there?
Hello! Oh, never mind.
Grandma would have never let this happen.
Oh,
Wait, where are all the killers?
we're right here. Someone feed Grandpa.
I'm gonna go check over here outside.
I'm gonna check around if I can find
There's
his...
blood.
Where is he?
I got some blood to give him.
I don't hear him. Oh my god, where is this guy? Alright, does someone have blood or no?
I think your ability is that you can hear these.
Yeah, I
guys.
can hear him. I'm gonna go give blood to Grandpa.
I gave Grandpa some blood.
Yeah, but we need to give him more. The more you give blood, the more his detection gets further.
That's it.
Alright, let's see.
Tastes good, don't it?
There you go. Gave Grandpa some blood. I wonder what happens if you give him a lot of blood until his like full
He
circle
probably
is.
has more, like max.
Let me see. God damn it, where is he?
I see him. I see him. He's up the cable. He killed the other guy.
He's right here!
One to kill him.
Son of a bitch!
Where's he? Where is he?
Son of a... He's in here with me.
Wait, where? In the house? Where are you?
She's outside, she's outside.
Oh, I feel it. I cut him off.
You got
He's
him?
coming to the house. He's coming to the house. He's coming to the house. He's in the house. He's in the house. In the house. In the house.
Where?
By Grandpa. By Grandpa.
By Grandpa, I'm on my way.
There he is. Right there.
Grandpa's dying, no, they... Hey,
He's
watch
not.
this.
I ain't liking which way this is headed. They gotta be around here someplace.
I'm on him.
Same here. Where is he?
He's outside the front.
I'm here. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
He's hit.
You're gonna die! Son of
he
a
dropped.
bitch! Oh, she's dead, she's dead. She's bleeding
dropped.
now. She's bleeding, she's bleeding.
She's really hurt.
Is that the last person, or how many persons are there?
I think it's the last one. Let me see.
Check, check. In front of you! In front of you!
Wait, what? Me?
In front of you!
Where?
Right there!
Oh, get him, get him. Here, you go for the one in the basement. I'll get this guy.
No! I need to go to the generator. Go, go,
He's
go, go,
leaving.
go, 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 go,
He's
go,
gonna
go,
escape.
go,
He's
go.
gonna
No, he's not.
escape.
No, he's not. 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 No, he's not.
That's an escape, is it?
I'm getting half us all.
God damn it! He's gonna escape. Ah, he escaped.
No, he didn't. Did he?
Yep.
He did.
Get him! 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 Ah! Wait, 2 people are left. No, Grandpa!
You have to turn on the power supply.
I'm trying to. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna
Oh,
go.
here we go. I think I see it. Wait, where? How do you turn on the power supply?
I got this. I got this. I
That's
got this. I got this. I got this. I got this.
cool. Okay. If we need to turn it on because it's it lets them just escape unless the power supply's turned on.
I'm turning it on. I'm turning it on.
Did you get it?
I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on.
Somewhere you turn it on.
Got
Oh,
it.
Yeah, it's turned on. I see it. Now they can't leave out that way.
Now,
It'll show
yes,
up
they
there.
can. Yes, they can. They have another door.
Well, the way that the guy just escaped out the front door.
No,
it'll
not
show
that
up
door.
there.
This door over here.
Oh, I see him. I see 2 of them.
Where?
Over here, look. He's on him. The killer's on him. One of our guys is getting him.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
The basement. I'm cutting him off.
I'm too old for this shit.
Get him.
You got him?
He's hurt. Really hurt.
Hello?
Yes. Nice.
I got her.
Nice.
Yes. Oh, did that hurt on you? I'm so sorry. Yes. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes,
Good
sir. They're all dead. Yes.
That was good.
That was so good.